I think the caliber of training at DriveCo is second to none. We get people from all different backgrounds. We get people with backgrounds of operating heavy equipment, anything from that to someone who the biggest thing that they've ever operated was a small automobile. And we teach, no matter what their background is, we teach them how to drive a semi-truck.
I believe the reason why DriveCo is so successful is because we focus so well on the success of an individual.
When someone comes in and they really want to, see what's going on, sometimes they have a little bit of, like they're a little bit timid, maybe they're a little afraid, maybe they're not sure exactly what they're getting into, but we like to take them out and actually put them in the truck. That way they get a good feel of it.
The students come here, they train in the classroom face-to-face with an instructor. They go out on the range 50 feet right outside our door and work on their backing skills there. We take them out on the road. Once they're out on the road and they learn how to drive and it's time for the state skills testing, they get to be taken in our own truck. They get to drive the truck they've trained in, and so they're more comfortable when they're on that skills lot during the state testing.
Everyone that comes through here, even though they come from different backgrounds, they all have one thing in common, one goal in common, and that's to learn how to drive the truck and provide a living for the family. And it's a rewarding to see the people work hard at it and able to obtain their goals.
I think the best part about it is just what people get out of it and how it really changes their lives. I mean, people come in here sometimes, they barely have any money for food. They barely have money to get by, gas money, anything else. By the time they get done, they got 30 companies calling them for jobs. Just a smile on their face, like, yeah, I'm turning on this company over here because, they pay a little more over here, or I'm getting a lot more home time with this company over here. It's like, just to see, have a smile on their face and knowing that now they have a future and everything's kind of turned around for them is awesome.
There is an enormous demand for truck driving. I believe that the transition has been really in 10th gear for the last several years because there is a transition in the driving industry as a whole, and it doesn't matter. The driving opportunities are wide open for anyone who's passionate about wanting to be in a truck.
There's high demands for our students. Both, they can do local work, they can do over-the-road work. We have companies, recruiters come in and talk to the students from anything from flatbed work, tanker work, dry vans, doubles and triples, a variety of different jobs that they can get.